In this video, we're going to switch gears a little bit because a lot of our results will not be equations. We're not going to have one length equals something or an angle equals something. Instead, we're going to be making comparisons of greater than or less than. So to start things off, we have the exterior angle inequality. So with this triangle right here, we can remember that angle 3 is an exterior angle to that triangle, and angles 1 and 2 are remote interior angles. So if we were to compare angle 3, its measurement, to either the measure of angle 1 or the measure of angle 2, since we have to add those together in order to get the measure of angle 3, we can say that the measure of angle 3 has to be larger than the measure of angle 1. We can also say that the measure of angle 3 has to be larger than the measure of angle 2. So to summarize, you could say that for any exterior angle to a triangle, its measure will always be bigger than either one of your two remote interior angles. Another inequality we're going to see, or kind of like a main idea, if you have one triangle, the bigger the side you're dealing with, the bigger the opposite angle. So for this triangle ABC, let's suppose that we have some side lengths like 12, 13, and 15. Since AB is 12 and CB is 15, 12 is smaller than 15, so therefore the measure of angle C is going to be smaller than the measure of angle A because the side opposite each respective angle is smaller. So since 12 is less than 15, the measure of C is less than the measure of A. Also, since 13 is bigger than 12, the measure of angle B is going to be larger than the measure of angle C, so on and so on. So the bigger the side you have, if you go to the angle opposite to that side, that angle will be bigger than whatever is opposite to a smaller side. The same goes the other way around. The bigger your angle, the bigger the opposite side. So for that same triangle, let's suppose that they gave us, instead of side lengths, some angle measurements. So 66, 32, and 82. So let's look at the smallest angle. The smallest angle is 32 degrees. That means your smallest side of this triangle would be side CA. Your largest angle is 82. That's at angle C. That is opposite to AB. So AB would be your largest side. And then since 66 is kind of your medium angle, CB would be your medium side. So the bigger your angle, the bigger the opposite side. And the bigger your side, the bigger the opposite angle. That pretty much does it for 5.3.